Plantains are highly nutritious and provide essential vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber. Vitamin C boosts immune function, while potassium supports heart health and helps maintain proper electrolyte balance. Plantains are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy. The fiber content in plantains also aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. The high fiber content in plantains promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Plantains are naturally gluten-free, making them a suitable alternative for individuals with gluten sensitivities or those following a gluten-free diet. Plantains are high in carbohydrates, so it's important to consume them in moderation if you're watching your carbohydrate intake